let's see how to view your Wix site on mobile. So, when you edit your Wix site on like a mobile perspective, gadget, or device, then you'll just have to go to this switch to mobile. And here you can edit your site in a mobile view. Here you can see and arrange some things if you have to make sure that it's aligned. All your information is going to be viewed in here. So after that, you can go and click on preview. You can see this in a mobile form right here. So as you can see, this is gonna be your site in a mobile point of view. And that's it. That's how to view your Wix site on mobile. See you soon!